Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Um, this morning I'm going to join my friend. He's actually my next door neighbor. He is installing a solar power to one of his client, and he's kind enough to invite me to come and see how it's done. So it should be interesting. Plan is I want to build a new house in the Philippines where I can install solar panel. So it's a new technology that I would like to learn and try it myself. So wish me luck. Nice view. Yeah, she's at the end. So this is the roof. I've just climbed this ladder. I can't believe it. So what have you done this morning just to put this?
The first thing, there's nothing here.
Yeah.
And so you can push up the tiles, and then underneath there's some wood like this, and then you simply screw the.
So each tiles there's like a wood that you can attach the.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then you screw these brackets into the wood.
Uh-huh.
And then the rail bolts onto the hook, and then when the boys come back we will fix the panels onto the rail.
Okay.
And then we've prepared some cables to here and to take the power from
Uh-huh.
the panels
Yeah.
into the loft.
Right, so that's the cable for all the panels that will be like connected later, the
Yeah.
16 panels.
They call them male
Okay.
and female because they go like
They get
that.
connect, yeah.
And it just says on the nameplate, so I can tap.
Oh, you quite lift it up so easily, yeah.
And then I'll just turn it over so that you can. Okay.
I won't be doing that. I'll carry the panels up to the roof. Hi.
Pictures.
Oh, just so I can remember how to do it.
Start charging car modelling.
Do it properly, Isa.
Yeah, make sure it's nice and straight. That's it. Keep going. No. Push on the
Push
top. Now
this
it's
one?
yeah, go on. No, make sure it's in back. Come, assist.
Yes?
Yeah,
Push it down
Yeah, push
and do
down.
it again.
yeah. No, it's a bit easy
Strict down.
Easy on the trigger.
You put pressure, you see. Look at this arm.
Billy Begans.
Just a little.
Thank
Not
you.
close yet.
Yeah. Well done. Go. It looks so neat. I definitely want solar panels on my next project. So watch this space. It's quite neat. I like it. Yeah, I'll have to pay for your holiday, Craig. So that I can, you know, get you over there, and you have to train my people.
Yes.
You could train my people how to do it properly. I mean, as I was saying, he's done this under 2 hours. 16 panels of solar panels.